If your arms are really thin and weak, and you want to make them stronger and thicker even without any equipment at home, then you're in the right place. Basically, there are 4 main muscle groups we're going to focus on: biceps, triceps, shoulders, and forearms. And to train all 4, I'm going to show you 4 exercises for each muscle group. If you perform these exercises consistently with proper form, you can build stronger, more developed arms over time. So, let's get into it. The first muscle group is the shoulders. For your shoulders, I'm going to give you 4 exercises. Number 1 is pike push-ups. To do pike push-ups, start in a regular push-up position, then raise your hips up so your body forms an A shape, and lower your head toward the floor. After that, push yourself back up. Aim for around 5 to 6 reps to start. This movement puts a lot of focus on your shoulders and can help build strength there. The second exercise is shoulder taps. Start in a standard push-up position. Now, take one hand and tap the opposite shoulder. Then switch sides and do the same thing with your other hand. Try to get around 10 to 15 reps. The third exercise is front raises. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use something you already have at home, like a backpack, a water bottle, or another object with some weight. Hold the weight with both hands and raise it in front of you. Hold it briefly at the top, then slowly lower it back down. Do as many controlled reps as you can while maintaining good form. This is a simple way to work your front shoulders without dumbbells. And the fourth exercise is lateral raises. This one is similar to front raises, but instead of lifting your arms straight in front of you, you'll raise them out to your sides. Keep your arms controlled as you lift them up, then slowly bring them back down. If you perform all of these exercises with proper form, you can gradually build stronger and broader looking shoulders. So, that covers the shoulders. The second muscle group is the biceps. Your biceps are pretty noticeable, especially when you're wearing a t-shirt, so let's go through some exercises for them. The first exercise is weighted curls. I'm calling these weighted curls because if you don't have dumbbells, you can simply use a backpack instead. Hold the backpack in your hand and perform a regular curl. As you bring the weight up, focus on squeezing your biceps, then lower it back down under control. Do as many good quality reps as you can. The second exercise is supinated push-ups. You start similarly to a regular push-up, but instead of keeping your hands in the usual position, rotate your hands so your palms are facing more toward you. Then perform your push-ups from there. This variation can place more emphasis on your biceps. Again, focus on controlled reps and aim for as many as you can do with good form. The third exercise is chin-ups. For chin-ups, use an underhand grip on the bar. When you pull your body upward, your biceps have to work much harder. It's a very effective body weight exercise, and with consistent practice, it can help develop your biceps. And the fourth exercise is the rubber band curl. This one is especially useful if you don't have a backpack or any other weights at home. You can simply get a resistance band from a local store. Step on the band with your feet and hold the other end with your hands. Then perform a crossbody curl. Since we already covered regular curls, this variation gives you a different way to work your biceps. Try to get as many controlled reps as you can. Now, the third muscle group is the triceps. Your triceps make up a large portion of your upper arm, so if you only train your biceps and ignore your triceps, your arms may not look as developed as you want them to. That's why the first triceps exercise is bench dips. For this exercise, you can use a sturdy bench, table, or another stable surface. Place your hands behind you on the edge. Keep your body close to the surface and lower yourself down. Then push yourself back up. Bench dips mainly target your triceps and can also involve your chest and shoulders. Try to get as many controlled reps as you can while keeping your form solid. The second exercise is diamond push-ups. These are another great bodyweight option for your triceps. Start like you would with a normal push-up, but bring your hands closer together and form a diamond shape with your fingers. Then perform the push-up from that position. This is a more difficult variation, but if you can do it with proper form, it can work your triceps while also involving your chest. A good starting goal is around 10 to 12 reps, depending on your current strength. The third exercise is the overhead triceps extension. For this, you can use any object with some weight, such as the backpack I mentioned earlier. Hold it with both hands and bring it above your head. Then bend your elbows to lower the weight behind your head and extend your arms to bring it back up. And the fourth exercise is dips. For this exercise, you ideally need parallel dip bars, but if you don't have access to dip bars, you can use a sturdy bench or two stable surfaces that allow you to perform the movement safely. Start in the supported position, lower your body by bending your elbows, and then press yourself back up. This puts a lot of tension on your triceps, so make sure whatever surface you're using is stable and secure. If you perform these exercises consistently and use proper form, you can gradually develop your triceps, biceps, and shoulders. And finally, we have the forearms. I've already made a dedicated video specifically for forearms. Check out that video. Thanks for watching.